As 10 Cents and Sunshine set out on their last job of the day, the wind dropped completely.
Hey, you'd think that storm never happened, eh? It's a lovely evening now, bud.
Yeah. Ah, look who's here. The Z-Stacks hero.
Hiya, Zebedee. Congratulations.
Yeah, not bad, was it?
Nah, you were great.
The Captain Zero's over the moon. Now Johnny Cuba can't get at him.
Yeah, thanks for helping us with Scuttlebutt Pete.
Just forget about that, will you? Captain Zero wouldn't be pleased to hear about that.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, no, Zora neither.
We won't tell, don't you worry, kiddo.
You'd better not. I've had enough troubles today. Well, see you fellas, eh?
Oh, Zebedee, if you ever think of leaving the Z-Stacks...
What? You crazy? Today was today, okay?
Oh, yeah, well, just a thought.
Yeah? Well, you think too much.
After that day, things continued much as they were. But Zebedee showed that everyone must have a good streak in them somewhere. Even Z-Stacks.